The igneous rock that the winged figures of the Republic rest upon is called black diorite. This rock came from one of the many 48 states. More precisely, it came from a location near Santa Ana, California. The winged figures are made of statuary bronze.
Basically, the number of generators. Here in Nevada, there are 8 of them on the floor, and there are 9 of them in Arizona in the apartment, so actually there are 17 hydroelectric generators at the dam. Each generator, as you can see, has a light on top. If the light is on now, it probably indicates they're using that generator for operation today also. All the generators at the dam in the old days took 3 years to assemble and manufacture the parts of one generator. 3 years and 65 trained cars of parts. The parts were brought into the department to build the generator in that 3-year period. The parts were offloaded and railroad bed put on
Funding for the operational maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars. You'll notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. Takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are chairs.